If you go to your name up in the top right hand side and click on My Account, it will take you to a new screen that shows you all of those resources that you've chosen to save alongside some other bits and pieces. So your account information is there, and there's an availability to edit that should you wish to do so. But the most important thing is a replica of our site where you'll notice the 6 sections are highlighted there, and everything that you saved will appear in this section. Anything that you've saved but have not yet accessed or completed will be in this buff colour here. Once you've actually completed this resource, then you can click on the completion status toggle and it changes to green, give you an indicator of how many activities you've completed and perhaps what you still need to go back and deal with. As you look at your resources that you've saved in here, there may be something that you've decided you don't really want to do anymore, that it's no longer part of your super curricular, it's not a direction you want to follow, and you have the opportunity to delete that with that little red box there. One thing we say is critical when you're completing your super curricular exploration is to write some reflections, because it's not about how many you've done or when you've done them, or that long list of achievements. It's about what has that done for you? How has that made you a better student? How has it improved your understanding, your knowledge, or increased your passion for a subject? So in here, you're going to write your reflections on the actual activity. We've given you some questions just above, but considering what it is that it's told you, what you've learned, your thoughts, whether or not your view on a subject matter's changed, or whether there's anything you agree or disagree with, and really crucially, what are your next steps? What would you like to know more about? Where would you like to take this? And that allows you to develop a pathway, a journey, or a thread through your super curricular activities. This is a key, vital section of your site. And when you write any reflections in here, always remember to save those reflections. And then when the time comes to write personal statement or an application or your EPQ report, all you need to do is copy and paste these out of here into whatever your working document is and begin to hone them and improve them into that final piece of work. This is a section that's really important if your super curricular is going to be well rounded and well reflected upon.